Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I'm out, I think, in Merritt or something. I don't know, some small BC town in the middle of nowhere, kinda. So, this Walmart has the Tac-Tac Gallimimus and the Battle Damage Rex. That's pretty cool. It's not just empty, and it seems like they're going to be restocking soon with Sound Strike figures. Attack pack, they say battle damage, so they're going to be restocking with small battle damage, because it's the same size as the attack pack, so I'm wondering what they're going to be getting in. That's the Rex figure up there, and I think that's it, the Rex, battle damage, attack pack, and Sound Strike. So that's pretty cool. Hoping next time I come through they have those, and I can see what good figures they've got, because the battle damage right there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.